Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this collage, hyperflash, transition for your next edit or music video. So what I'm going to do is actually add an effect called motion tile, and I'm going to add this on every single one of our clips. Go ahead to output width, I'm going to put it on 35, and this is going to help actually crop our video. So I'm going to copy this and apply it to each and single video we have here. Then I'm going to space out these videos. Once after we're done adding motion tile, I'm going to highlight all of our clips. I'm going to head towards around the quarter or the middle of our videos, so about right here. Press Control Shift and press D, and we're going to move our highlighted clips we just separated above right here. Then we're going to go to each video. We're going to go right here, and we're going to go to time stretch, and we're going to put it to around 30 for each of our clips. Time stretch 30. I just want to do this to every single one of our clips. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight clips, push it out. And you can see right here how our clips are being more sped up if you want. Back the time, put it up to 20. Push out our timeline, not a timeline, but push out our clips right here. Once you're done speeding up our video, we're going to go ahead and pre-comp it and just name it clips right here. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add RSMB. Drag in RSMB. Put our blur amount to 1.5. And our motion sensitivity all the way up to 100. Once after adding RSMB to our pre-comp layer, I'm going to go ahead and go to our bottom left, go to new, and we're going to create our adjustment layer and be above all of our clips right here. Then for the first effect, I'm going to go ahead and add tritone. Drag in tritone. And you actually want to make your color any type of color you want, but just for this, I'm going to use a dark green. So I might use it right here. Head to about right here. Put our blend all the way up to 100. Open up our timeline. Head to about right here. Once our clip starts to transition, put it down to 0. You can see how our clip starts to transition right here. Maybe push it out a bit. So let's see. Yep. Highlight these two keyframes. Easy use it. Close out our settings for our tritone. Go ahead and add our exposure effect. Drag in exposure. Once again, we're going to follow these keyframes right here. Create our first keyframe right here. Head towards the middle, and we're going to add 9 for our exposure. And it's going to give us a nice white flash transition. So I'm going to go over here to our keyframe right here, and we're going to put it all the way down to 0. So it starts giving us a nice white flash transition right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and ease our 3 keyframes. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a noise effect. Drag in noise, turn off use color noise, and put it up to the closest out right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add CC vignette. Drag it in. Then I might increase our amount just a bit right here. Head towards the middle right here. Put our amount all the way down to 0. Open up our timeline. Go around right here and put our amount to 102 or 102. Then we're going to go ahead and actually increase our angle just a bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a radial blur for our last and final effect. Just bring down our amount a good amount, around right here. Put it above our CC vignette effect. Then I'm actually going to easy use these 2 keyframes, then save our project. Close out our timeline. And yeah, that is how you create this hyper collage flash transition for your next edit or music video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or go ahead and share that video. It does help me, and it helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on staying creative and keep on working hard. Peace out.